แทนก็ต้องเฮลโลเนาะ
Hello, excuse me. We are study from Chiang Rai Ratchapat Uniform.
อืม
It's in a letter from our me. May we is interview you for 5 minutes.
ใช่ let's go
Have we recorded a video from our class?
yes
What is your name?
my name Grayson
My name I.
hi
Is it your firm my in Chiang Rai?
what again
In is your firm night in Chiang Rai?
ใช่
is
What do you like more about Chiang Rai?
chill ภูเขา
yeah
yeah
Mountain.
I like the mountain
What do you think about Thai people or Thai food?
Thai people so respect big so respectful yeah
Do you have any advice from is an student?
uh, again
What do you like more about Chiang Rai?
I like the mountain the beauty chill quiet
What do you think about Thai people or Thai food?
Thai people I'm from America and Thai people have more respect yeah more respect so high
Okay.
yeah
Do you have any advice from us as student?
oh yes start a business make money online
Okay. How people plan in safety when you sue a face to help to tell when?
um, safety
Safety. Do you link here side and Anna? Mern has you do first of all.
my god Jai understand yes if the police here nice
Police.
yeah the police in Thailand good
Okay.
yeah
What do the police do you see you safe in Thailand?
yeah sometime police but every time talk good
Don't talking too of feet cheer make you feel for safe.
yeah it make me feel more safe yeah
Technology like app or Siri, TV, in food safety for touring.
Safety most important because my mom worried
There is all change you really must from your Thai and kindness.
Michael J one more oh okay couple thank you couple cup
Has a wonder to trip in Thailand.
one trip wait again
Have a wonder food trip in Thailand.
okay thank you I
Okay.
will couple cup